Stupid people in...
She calls you that her parents are not home and she feels lonely.
What? Did he just make a sex joke? Anyway, as you can see, Range Rover, very mad. What do you think? Gangster? Baboon?
Old
Jesus Christ. Old man. That subscribers for this channel, by the way. Idiots in cars!
Hello!
What even went on there? I don't know. Did someone annoy this lady? This man?
Someone crashed.
Matthew thinks he's being very funny today, by the way. $3 million Aston Martin Valkyrie almost crashes. Sad face. Mate, he didn't.
Do you remember when the architect told you to build a garage above ground and you said no and a couple of months a hurricane hit? Now,
This
the
person's
sad
taking
part
my
is that
job.
The cars are more valuable
That's
than
not
the
taking the
house.
piss, if I'm honest.
Yeah, honestly, I would I like the idea of an underground garage for my house. That's a good idea.
Why don't you have an underwater garage?
That just sounds like you're asking for this to happen to my cars.
You can live underwater.
Who lives underwater?
I mean, I look up the...
Oh my! Oh, he's just running!
Huh, I think it's just a small scratch. It's gonna buff out.
Do you know the thing I never understand is when people's like
So,
parts of their
tell me
car fall
again,
off and they
what
keep
does the white one
driving.
do?
He's gone. I mean, that car's easy
Man's
to
got 50
replace.
horsepower on Forza.
Man, the global warming hit quick. Poor guy got stuck in some sand dunes in London.
I was gonna say that's not snow, is it? It's like talking about global warming, stuck in sand. I know what that
White
feels. I know
sand.
what, cars are too heavy these days. To be fair, if it was heavy, it should go better.
Is he
But
not
also-
a man?
I mean, he's got an Aston Martin. Why does that keep coming up? How dare
For
you?
the guy that got flooded,
I saw this
I
one.
think he needs a new architect.
The guy that got What even are they? Mate, what are you even saying? However, this is terrifying because I want to build a garage like this for my next house.
This
I'm
is going to
going-
happen, son.
Can you not? To be fair, it looks like it's made of paper. So
Didn't men used to fist fight about stuff
Hey?
when they argued? Now they just trash each other's cars?
what the hell? What did he
What
do?
is this? What is this commentary? I don't like it.
I don't know. We've got a third wheel here today. it's what we've got.
I think now we're the third wheel.
Where the? What the?
Is
You know
that
that
a
man.
shanty?
That man would
don't
get.
get
That man would get a slap around the
I
head.
thought he was going to angle slam him there.
Mate, he's twice your size. Just give it up. Oh my god, he's going for it.
Is he got? Is that the takeaway?
Holy sh!
He must be.
I thought it was a
thinking,
takeaway
"Now I'll show
there."
him He's the real man.
Ellis being that looks like a Sainsbury's. I thought that was a Sainsbury's. Oh, Grand Theft Auto.
Just another normal
UFC.
day in Australia.
Is someone going to do a takedown or something?
He's trying to rob the Ferrari, and he doesn't know how to drive. Apparently,
Someone's
you know,
Someone's getting tucked down. Watch.
101 of stealing a car. He's probably knowing how to drive. That
What's
wasn't in a
he-
shot. Oh, wouldn't you just give it up at this point? Like, there's no way out of this.
Jesus.
Oh.
So we've got UFC
Oh,
time.
oh my-
UFC
oh
time.
my God.
Here we go.
Lady's whooping his ass. My God, that lady's
We didn't even get the UFC style. That was pointless.
not quite the UFC I think they were talking about, but she did well. I thought very good. Oh, Matt, what did you do? You did muscle car
The giggle in the guy's
business.
voice is priceless. You hit a what? Oh, never mind. Man, the guy just went gardening with a BMW.
Gardeners drive those.
Mate, what gardener? How rich is your? How much do you pay your gardener?
I don't.
Do you have a
Wait,
gardener?
No, I garden myself.
Oh, do you?
I'm a gardener.
Holy sh!
Imagine if that was your skyline, son.
And kids, this is how baby cars are born.
What?
Can we just delete this commentary, please? It's interfering with my incredible jokes that are about. Why are these guys speeding off? Is this sped up? Oh, it's sped up. Unless that man's power walking. I don't know what's
Yeah, do you
going-
know what we need?
What do we need?
Theo has curly hair.
On a flatbed?
The
Loading it
Lambo
up.
is going now to the hospital to deliver.
What about meat, chicken, and fish?
Man, who comes up with this shit? Here we go, bit of drag race action. Popping some flame.
Dude, you lost something.
Oh, that's squeaky
A
bum
lot of
time.
poop has come out. It's everywhere.
Careful there. Careful. Was that man's boot open? Why is he driving with his boot open? Look, look.
Send some air in, son.
Letting some. It's not that hot. It's bloody raining. How? Nothing's like big sticking out. That's normally why you would. Maybe it's fallen out because you're a prat. Corrects your yeah. Back on the road and off you go. Puts his foot down again and has another slide. What are you doing? You.
Oh yes.
Hold my beer.
Oh. Okay, I didn't know that was even possible. So congratulations to you. You've done an incredible thing. I don't know how you managed that. Bit wet.
When a boy car likes a girl car.
Oh my
What?
god.
Oh no! I knew that was coming.
That's how Forza Motorsport Racing is online.
You should try it.
That's TJ Hunt's. Didn't he sell it to
That
someone?
window's going.
You can open that? Right? Never mind.
What's the point? Why?
Did he get locked out? Wait, wasn't the door open?
Are you gonna clean it up?
What are you doing? Was he? No!
It's fine.
Do you remember? Oh my god. Do you remember that they did like a one-off Banshee from GTA?
Some old woman had it.
Yeah. I wanted it so bad. Not clickbait 2 years ago. There it is!
Today I want to share with you probably one of the most elusive cars, at least in real life.
He talks too slow. Put him on, let's put him on 1.5.
Headlights that I think are from aftermarket version from an RX-7. It's been
Yeah, very cool. However, I don't care. I wanted that Banshee so bad. Like, it was my dream to own that car, but it's... I think an old woman won it and she sold it. And
Why
didn't you get it?
because I didn't win, it was a competition. I didn't win.
Did you not even try?
Yeah, I entered. What's going on here then? Oh, for God's sake!
You thought he was dumb and he was gonna crash. Hey.
He did, didn't he? He bounced off the wall.
This guy's commentary is really.
It's not even a guy. It's a bot. He's put a bot to speak over the stuff.
Oh, there's a Maserati.
What happened? Oh no!
And this is why some cars are just meant to stay in collections.
Are you broke? No. You just told someone to not drive a car? I wish I could speak multiple languages.
I can. Bonjour.
What just happened? Oh, they went up the curb.
What can I say? Guy's reaction is on point.
It could be worse.
It could be, but these are all made by hand. I saw them being built in the factory, which was an absolute pleasure. Incredible. Where are you going?
He's spinning out. That's what he's doing.
Oh, for
Now
God's
remember your
sake.
first donut in your mom's car.
To be fair, that's pretty. That's not that my mum had a car. Oh, the police came.
It's fine.
It's not fine.
I mean, it could be worse.
That's a lot of money. I don't know what it is. Some kind of Ferrari, but it's a lot of money nonetheless.
It's Ferrari dinosaur.
Getting passed by an idiot in a Civic and off. Well, they didn't go down a ditch. So.
No, he didn't.
He tried to do finger shadow puppets. Give him a break.
What?
I don't know what's worse. This or like TikToks.
This.
Lambo crash, facepalm, shock emoji. Is he gonna be stupid?
It's actually a flush emoji.
It is a flush emoji.
There goes all the bumpers
Quick
and the
puzzle.
bonnets and
Where did
everything.
the last parts come from?
Hey, yo, is that an IS 200? Oh no,
out of
look at
10
that
parts.
beautiful blue Corvette. Ah.
Hey!
Where is this? I can never. No! No! No, no! Oh, what beautiful, beautiful, relaxing music here as we drive our blue and yellow interior Ferrari
copyright-free?
GTA spec, and he's
It's
putting his
a-
foot
it's-
down in
it's
a
a-
place
it's
where
around
he
the curtains.
shouldn't.
Imagine being after cyclists.
Keep traction on if you don't know how to drive a car without traction. It's a pretty simple rule, okay? Pretty easy. Keep it on. That's another one, yeah. And off you go.
Supreme.
Idiot. He's going past that big old truck. Let's go. Big power.
Just spin out in a minute.
And there goes a GT.
What they're on
Oh!
about.
Mate, you should have done a Horizon. Should have done the Horizon. Oh, mate. Yeah, mate. Yeah, mate. Focus ST, GTR, bin.
It's not a rap battle, lads.
It's like they all want to encourage this to happen. Oh, it's got rear wheel steer now. Oh,
The
don't
Lamborghini's gonna
happen to.
become. Or the Dodge, you never know.
Oh no, not the Mercy! We need to find the crash damaged Mercy so we can repair it. That's the next venture.
There's
McLaren,
McLaren.
bright orange. Should
We
be very
can't
easy
see.
to see,
We
and he's
can't-
disappeared. He hit the Barry,
Chuckle.
and he's fine. It's all good, YouTube. I promise. Just anticipate. Oh, how do you? And next car, bro, is a Ferrari.
He's an old man. Vin Diesel?
Vin Diesel.
That's a nice Mercedes.
Leave it on. That is the lesson for today, ladies and gents. If you don't understand it, leave it on.
What if it's a light?
You know, the sad thing is, I've been thinking about this. This is a very deep conversation we're about to have. However, these people finance these cars, and so they don't put the full money down. What just happened? And so they don't care because the insurance pays for the car, and then they replace them, so they don't care. But if my Skyline got wrote off, for example, I ain't replacing it. I would cry. But these boys and their toys, just get a new one.
You have too many toys, son.
Not the F12, please. Hazards, hazards, hazards.
The brakes are gone.
No, he's just an idiot. The brakes were absolutely fine. Are you brake checking in a... I just want to cry. I want to cry because they're getting rid of all these cool cars that we will now never be able to see because they are baboons.
No.
See that one, that's different. It's like it's an old boy. I think it's just an inexperienced people being baboon. It's fine. It'll flesh out. Okay. Another thing I don't understand is why people don't get out and check. Why do they drive off?
Oh no, not another one.
Off he goes. Sounds beautiful. And put your foot down while turning. You know, that's the best idea I've ever heard in my life. Congratulations. You got out lucky. Now, just chill. What are you doing? Is that clutch smoke or is that on fire?
He's
And
gone.
another waste. Don't worry, I'll get a new one next week. Depressing. Why do people... You're ruining it for us. Hey, yo.
Oh.
He's got a bumper delete from Need for Speed. And
It's just black, son.
now he's got wheel delete. No, it had like a cover on it. It's to stop flies, I think. And nice pit maneuver there. Bit of practice on Need for Speed there. Bit of practice for Burnout. Hopefully that returns one day. And
It
didn't.
has.
At least he didn't hit the Ferrari, right? You know, fair play. Or the whatever the hell that thing is, because that's freaking cool as hell. Hey, yo, what? Man's playing Driver San Francisco. Nice GDR in the white. Is that a cop up there? Or is that just someone waiting? And foot down while turning. Binned. Who would have thought that that's a terrible idea? I've seen this one. This is some I don't know why, but electric cars keep doing this. He's creeping along, doing a spin, and then stops. He's on the brake, so he's pressed the brake button. Okay, no problem. And then all of a sudden, he decides, no, I don't want to brake anymore. I want to accelerate very hard.
Yeah.
What a moron. Porsche is passing. All right, let the Porsche pass. You know, no problem. That's the overtake lane in America. And he's stopping. And
He's being courteous.
why was that even a clip? This man has lost. I can't even feel bad for these bits. Did he just call him an idiot? He just called the other person an idiot. Or is it a different language and I misunderstood? Touching grass, squeaky bum time, back on the road. These are dying soon, Matthew, the Aventadors.
Oh, well.
Oh, well.
It's only an Aventador, son.
They're not making them anymore soon. This is it. Oh. Even better.
Yeah, even better.
No! No! Binned it. Good old cruise, you know? Why is he still driving? Come back. Come back,
Oh,
please.
what a skid.
What is it with R8 race cars? Wait, isn't that Need for Speed music in the background?
I don't
That's
think it
Need for
is.
Speed music. Also, what the f was this filmed on?
It was
Mate.
wet, son.
I don't care if it's wet. What was it filmed on? Well, his phone's even worse somehow.
The camera was wet, my man.
The camera was not wet. It's in the car.
And yep, knew that was coming.
Old boy is in the bin. What in the f? Nice Ferrari. Where's this? Stunning.
Italy.
Italy. No, I think this is Germany. And binned it. Are you kidding me? Are you keep on traction? Jesus. Lesson learned for today, ladies and gents. Keep traction control on. You are very welcome. Be sure to smash like if you enjoyed Idiots and Cars. Subscribe if you are new. And peace.
Bye.